Welcome back to Mastering Airport English. In today's video, we're covering how to use VIP services at the airport in English. Whether it's for extra comfort, faster security, or special assistance, VIP services can make your airport experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's go through the key phrases and questions you can use to inquire about VIP services and make the most of your time at the airport. To begin, if you're interested in learning what VIP services are available, start by approaching the airport information desk or speaking with a representative from your airline. You could say, "Hello, could you tell me about the VIP services available at this airport?" Or, "Excuse me, are there any VIP options for faster check-in and security?" These questions are polite and help you get an overview of the VIP services offered, like priority check-in or expedited security. If you're interested in VIP lounge access, ask about what's included in the lounge services. Politely say, "Could you tell me what amenities are available in the VIP lounge?" Or, "What's included with VIP lounge access?" This will help you understand if the lounge has complimentary food, Wi-Fi, showers, or quiet areas, making it easier to decide if lounge access is worth it for you. If you're concerned about the cost of VIP services, you might want to confirm pricing details. Ask, "Could you tell me how much VIP access costs?" Or, "Is there a fee for using VIP services and what does it cover?" These questions allow you to decide if the added comfort and time savings fit within your budget. For those who need personal assistance or extra support, such as help with heavy luggage or escorting to the gate, you could ask, "Is personal assistance available as part of the VIP service?" Or, "Could someone assist me with my bags and help me to my gate?" This shows that you're looking for one-on-one support, which is often part of VIP packages. Sometimes, VIP services include fast-track security and immigration. If you're interested in this benefit, ask, "Does the VIP service include expedited security and passport control?" Or, "Is there a fast-track option for security with VIP access?" These questions can help you determine if VIP access will save you time in lines, which can be very useful during peak travel hours. If you have a specific need, such as connecting to another flight quickly, you may want to confirm if VIP services can assist. Say, "I have a tight connection. Can VIP services help me make it to my next flight on time?" Or, "Could VIP assistance help with my transfer between terminals?" This ensures you know whether VIP support can help you with time-sensitive connections. If you're traveling with a group or family, ask if VIP services can extend to multiple people. Politely say, "Could my family join me in the VIP lounge?" Or, "Are VIP services available for my entire group?" This way, you'll know if everyone in your party can benefit from the VIP experience. Finally, once you've arranged for VIP services or learned more about your options, thank the staff for their help by saying, "Thank you very much for explaining the VIP services," or simply, "I appreciate your assistance in setting up the VIP access." A polite thank you shows your gratitude and leaves a positive impression. Let's review these key phrases for using VIP services at the airport. "Hello, could you tell me about the VIP services available at this airport?" "Could you tell me what amenities are available in the VIP lounge?" "Is there a fee for using VIP services? And what does it cover?" "Could someone assist me with my bags and help me to my gate?" "Does the VIP service include expedited security and passport control?" "I have a tight connection. Can VIP services help me make it to my next flight on time?" "Could my family join me in the VIP lounge?" Thank you very much for explaining the VIP services. Using these phrases will help you make the most of VIP services and enjoy a smoother airport experience. Remember, asking politely and being clear about your needs will make it easier for airport staff to assist you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more essential travel English tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.